kids, welcome back to Ezra Has Us Fun. Today we're gonna play Magna-blocks right after
this. Hey kids, welcome back to Ezra's House of Fun. Today we're gonna play with Magna-blocks, but we're gonna do something really special.
Extreme.
Yes, it's gonna be super extreme. We got dinosaurs. We have little men.
We have helicopters.
We have helicopters.
And we got this.
Yes. And we even have a little miniature Batman.
We got.
Well, who is that? Let me see. Bring him down.
He is Captain America.
Captain America.
Choo.
Okay, so we're gonna play Magna-blocks.
Batman.
What are you gonna try to build today?
I'm going to try to build. Oh, Daddy, get that little paper out.
What little
Turn
paper?
that paper out.
Okay.
So Daddy's going to try. I'm going to try to build one of these. Hold on.
What are you gonna try to build?
Kids, guess what I'm going to try to build.
What's that?
Hold on.
What's that? I think I'm going to build a house.
A
little house. Oh, look what Ezra's gonna build. Look, he's gonna build a castle. Wow.
I am.
Wow, you're gonna build a castle?
Yes.
Okay. Are we gonna have enough room to build a castle? Look, we got dinosaurs. We got Captain America. We got school buses.
We can do
everything in here.
And guess what, kids? Guess what I can do?
Ezra just rolled the school bus off the table. Like, really?
I'm back.
Oh, snap. I got my dinosaur. Look what this dinosaur can do.
I'm back. Look.
I need some extra room.
I'm back too.
What's this dinosaur's name?
His name is Healthy.
Healthy. This is Healthy.
His name is Healthy. His name is Fruit.
His name is Fruit.
His name is Bed.
Bed.
Healthy, Fruit, Bed, and Camera.
Camera. Okay, so this is Healthy.
Fruit.
This is Fruit.
No. His name is Healthy, and his name is Fruit.
How's his name Healthy? He got a broken arm. Look at that.
Oh.
How's his name Healthy? He got a broken arm.
Well, I know, but his name is Healthy.
Okay.
Healthy, Fruit, Bed, and Camera.
And Camera. Okay. I'm gonna put these two down here for a second so I can build my house. Okay. Is that okay?
Dad, we need that. Dad, we need that paper so we can see it.
Yeah.
No, Dad, I wasn't gonna build this. I was gonna build this.
Yes. So yeah, okay. So the
look at this.
The magnetic blocks.
Look at
basically they come in a box, in a bag, and they have this little. Hold on, can I show the kids this?
Oh.
They have a little booklet of stuff that you can build, and they show you how to build it. So try that out if it's the first time.
We have these little big
You ready?
little things.
Come on, let's do it. Let's build.
All right.
Let's
build this. Dad, look at this crunch. I'm gonna build this.
Modify. I bet you don't know what movie that's off of.
What?
Modify.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Mater. Cars. That's a Mater, right?
Mater the Queen.
Lightning McQueen. Yes, Lightning McQueen. Okay, quick question.
What?
Who is your favorite cartoon character?
I don't know. Odd Squad.
Odd Squad.
No,
That's not a cartoon. That's a TV show.
I think Monster House.
Monster House. That's your favorite movie? Monster House? Oh, you know my favorite movie is it's a movie that a lot of y'all have not seen, but y'all parents have. I know they have. The Goonies.
The Goonies.
The Goonies.
The Goonies.
Yes. And Little Monsters. Little Monsters. Remember I told you Little Monsters? You liked it, didn't you?
Yes, I watched it. It's the best movie.
It's a good movie.
It's a great grassy boy,
Grassy boy. Did you like it when he was pulling pranks on all the kids? Remember that?
Oh yeah.
And they was putting like cat food in his tuna fish sandwich.
That's gross.
That was gross.
No!
Oh, what other movies do you like?
I like Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. All right.
No, I didn't like that. No, not Lightning McQueen. I like Monster House.
Monster House. Is there any more that you like?
No.
No more? Right.
Oh yeah. Richie Rich.
Richie Rich. Yes. I love Richie Rich. It used to be one of my favorite movies. Oh, what about Home Alone?
Oh no, I don't.
You don't like Home Alone?
Because I don't like Home Alone. You know why I don't like Home Alone? Because it has spiders in it.
Oh yeah, got the spider. Yeah. Okay.
So we're not gonna talk about that.
Okay. Is it any other movies that you may like?
I like maybe like Me the Queen.
You just Lightning McQueen. Okay.
Like Me the Queen.
Okay. If there was any person that you can meet right now, who would it be?
Michael Jackson.
You want to meet Michael Jackson? Oh, Oh, Michael Jackson. What would you want to learn?
I want to learn. Okay, some people.
It's okay. What would you want to learn? Like I built my house, dude. Oh, I almost broke it.
I want to build. I want to learn about where he does the
How he does the moonwalk?
No, I already know how to do the moonwalk.
Okay. Yeah. What would you like? What questions would you ask Michael Jackson if you could meet him?
I would meet him and say that I want to practice doing Dangerous.
Dangerous? The song Dangerous?
Yes, I don't know how to do Dangerous song.
Oh, okay. Who else would you like to meet outside of Michael Jackson? Would like to meet Bruno Mars?
Oh yeah.
Bruno Mars? Oh, okay. Who else? Anybody else?
Ed Sheeran.
Huh?
Ed Sheeran.
You would like to meet Ed Sheeran?
I don't know him.
You don't know? I know you don't know him, but would you like to meet him?
Yes, of course.
What would you ask Ed Sheeran?
I would ask him, what dance do you do?
What dances does he like to do?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
What would you ask Michael Jackson?
What would I ask Michael Jackson? Dang, I don't know, man. I guess I would ask him, how do you do the moonwalk? I don't know how to do the moonwalk.
I don't know how to do the moonwalk.
You how to do the moonwalk? Okay.
Want to show him?
Okay.
Dangerous.
Ezra knows how to do the moonwalk. He loves Michael Jackson and Bruno Mars.
I listen to it every day.
And Ed Sheeran.
I'm trying to build this house.
What type of foods do you like, buddy?
Dangerous? No.
No, what type
Oh,
of
pizza.
food?
Pizza.
Pizza? What type of pizza?
Cheese.
Cheese pizza.
Cheese pizzas are good.
Cheese pizzas are
Cause
okay.
they have like it has different taste to it.
Mm-hmm.
But you have to get a lot of strength to do it.
You gotta get a lot of strength. Where do you like to eat your pizzas from?
Oh, Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Pizza Hut.
Oh no.
You don't
not
like Papa John's?
No, not Pizza Hut.
What?
It's Domino's.
You like Domino's?
Hey.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm taking off his. Sorry.
You can take mine away. Pizza Hut. I love Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. Okay. So you like Pizza Hut and Domino's?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Do you like
You know my favorite pizza place is?
what?
Pizza Hut. I like Pizza Hut. I like Papa John's too.
But Papa John's has like cheese pizza and stuff.
Cheese pizza?
But
They do.
I don't like that kind of cheese pizza.
You don't like that? Okay.
But it's like a little crusty.
Crusty. But their pizza's always fresh though. Like it's super fresh.
Yeah,
It has like a fresh taste. I don't know what that is.
It has like a little something. It has like a little stuff into it.
A little stuff.
And it had like a little crunch.
A little crunch. Okay.
And I don't want to eat it.
Okay.
I've been asking for it.
What is your favorite soda?
Soda?
Yes, like.
Oh, my favorite. I know what it is.
What?
It's the orange crush pop.
Orange soda. Who loves orange soda? Kill loves orange soda. You don't know what that is. All that.
Yes, I do.
You know what all that is?
Yes.
Look, kids. Ezra's never seen Good Burger.
I have. Yes, I did. Hey, car, look at my car.
Oh, okay.
Nobody know what a Rasky is. And my favorite color is blue and orange.
Blue and orange. Your favorite color is blue and orange?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Ghostbusters.
What is your favorite place to go?
Oh, that's really easy.
Where?
Round one.
Round one.
Round one.
I like round one too. It's pretty fun.
Cause it has a little fun.
Remember we had your birthday party there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we sure did. That's pretty fun. I like that ice cream.
Oh, I like that ice cream too. It's so good.
Mm-hmm. It is.
It has a little cream into it.
A little cream?
Yeah, it has like a little cream to it. You don't know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
It's creamy. It's cream.
Okay. I like the arcade games that they have.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
What is your favorite topping on your ice cream?
Oh man, that's a great question. My favorite topping is chocolate. I love
my favorite topping
chocolate with sprinkles on it.
My favorite topping. I don't like no.
You don't like sprinkles?
No. My favorite topping is rainbow.
Rainbow?
Yeah, cause it has when you lick it.
Oh, you talking about rainbow ice cream?
Yeah.
So what's my favorite ice cream? My favorite ice cream is strawberry. I love strawberry ice cream.
Oh look, Daddy, look at that final touch.
Oh wow, I love it. And yours is rainbow. You like rainbow. You like sherbet. So what do you think mommy's is?
I think mama's is.
I can tell you what it is.
I know what it is.
What?
It's Orange.
Nope. Mama's favorite ice cream.
It's purple.
Nope. Mommy's favorite ice
Pink.
cream.
No,
Nope.
I know what it is. I know what it is. Gold.
Nope. Her favorite ice cream is cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
Yep.
I never had that.
Yep. It's good too.
Cause it has like a little cream into it.
Yeah. What's your favorite snack?
Oh, that's a good question. All of them.
Oh.
Except nuts. Except nuts except nuts and fruit and broccoli and
Except anything healthy.
Yes.
Anything that's supposed to help your body grow strong and big.
Yes.
You don't like that. You like all of them, no matter what.
Just like
I got a good
cereal.
question. What's your favorite cereal?
Oh, Captain Crunch.
Captain Crunch. Which one? Do you like the one? With the
Fruity
crunch
Pe-
berries?
I know what it is.
What?
I like Captain Crunch and
Okay.
Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity what?
Fruity Pebbles.
Say it again.
Fruity Pebbles, kids.
Fruity Pebbles.
Oh, Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles.
I like Fruity Pebbles.
My favorite cereal.
What is your favorite Dorito? What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack? Ooh, that's a good question. I like healthy snacks. I like grapes. I like carrots.
What?
I like apples. I love oranges. I love oranges.
Ew.
I like, what else do I like? I like broccoli.
Ew.
Yeah, broccoli.
Oh, I know you like carrots.
Yes, I love carrots.
Oh, you.
I love salad. Ooh. Okay, my house is.
Hey, look at that.
Oh.
I'll put that on for you.
Okay.
It's like a little gun.
Look at that. It's like a flag.
Look at my car.
Let me see your car. Oh, wow, buddy.
Ooh.
Look at what I got going on.
What
here.
is your favorite man? Or what is your favorite man? Oh, I got a good question. What is your favorite house in the whole wide world?
My favorite house in the whole wide world.
Is that a good question?
It is a great question. My favorite house in the whole wide world is my house. The house where I share
I
with
like
you.
what now you say you say it again.
The house I share with you.
I know what my favorite house is.
Where?
Needing bread.
Oh. Why? Because they give you all the snacks? Eat snacks all day. Snacks all day.
Snacks. I'm a snacky man.
You're a snack kid. Snackaroo.
Chacarona.
Okay,
Chacarona.
quick question. What is your favorite thing to eat for breakfast?
Oh, that's really easy.
What?
That's waffle.
He likes to eat waffles.
Well, last time I had a biscuit today. I had a biscuit today, kids.
So your favorite thing is Eggo waffles?
Yes.
Okay. My favorite thing.
Oh.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, that's neat, man. What is that?
It's an army house.
It's an army house? Okay. All right.
No. That don't fit.
Okay. What is your favorite thing to do at the park?
Oh, that's really easy. That's just a swing.
You like the swings.
Oh, they remember last time I was on the little things on the bars?
Oh, the monkey bars?
Yes.
Yes.
I like that. That's my favorite thing.
That's your favorite thing. Only if
I
I
don't
pick you up. Only if I pick you up and put you across the bars.
Yeah, well, I don't like when you tickle me.
You know, like, why not?
Because that was so
I thought you liked being tickled.
Oh, yeah, I do. Because that's my favorite thing to do.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
All right.
they look at this.
Okay.
This is not the final touch. I need some help.
All right.
No. Let me put the
What's
green.
this guy's name?
His name is Harthy.
Harthy. Harthy, how are you, Harthy?
He's 16.
He's 16. Boy, you look like you about 55. Look at him.
No, actually he's 55.
He's 55. Okay, he's
Yeah,
55. Okay.
And where's the other guy that I had?
Okay. This is Harthy. What's this guy?
His name is Tinny. His name is, he's 12 years old.
Now, okay. Ezra said this guy's name is Tinny and he's 12. Look at Tinny.
He's 12 years
He's
old.
12
and he's
16.
55. He's 55.
Oh, man.
Because he's bigger than him. Where is that other guy that you had?
Okay. Huh?
Where's that other guy?
I think it's over there.
His name is Batman, and he's 16. Oh, Batman is 2.
Batman is 2?
No, he's 10.
He's 10?
Yep. I wonder what that guy is.
Batman. Put Batman over there.
So his name is Hari. And he's 25.
He's 25?
Yeah.
Okay, Hari's 25. Hello.
His name is Denny. Hey Daddy. His name is Denny, and he's 1 year old.
He's 1 year old?
He's a pet.
I thought his name was Bed.
Oh yeah. No, it's not. No, it's not. His name is Bed. His name is Bed. His name is Camera.
Okay.
His name is
What?
Fruit. No, Healthy and Fruit.
Okay, yes, that is Healthy. Okay, I'm sorry, Healthy. And your name's Fruit. Sorry about that. That's probably why he's laid like this.
He's
probably why he's like that. Put your finger in his mouth.
He's 100. No. Yeah, he's 100 years old.
He's 100?
Yeah. And he is 16.
He's 16?
He is. And he's little. He's 6 years old. He's 6 years old. His Bed is 6 years old.
Bed is 6 years old?
Yeah, like me.
He's pretty big to be 6.
And he's 6 years old like me.
He's 6 years old. Yep.
And his name is Camera, and he's 1,000 years old.
He's 1,000 years old?
No.
Oh!
No, his name is 20.
Oh my God! My friend just got eaten by the T-Rex. The T-Rex is after us.
Oh, right there.
Oh!
So, now let me put this green thing on.
You gonna put the green thing on her? What are you doing?
No!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That one is you.
Huh?
That one is you.
Okay. We got a lot of stuff over
That
there.
is a mean one.
Mr. Grinch.
Ow!
Ow! Do you like the Grinch?
Ow! I don't like Grinch because he cuts my toenails.
He cuts your toenails. That's a good thing.
No, it's not.
That's the only thing the Grinch does is cut your toenails?
No.
What?
He cuts all Christmas stuff. He don't like Christmas.
He takes all the Christmas stuff?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the Grinch just needs love. That's it.
So,
Leave the Grinch alone.
the
Grinch ain't done nothing to nobody.
The Grinch is 25 years old.
The Grinch
Look at my car.
saved Christmas. Do you like Netflix?
Oh yeah. Oh, this is my favorite movie, Raising Dion.
You like Raising Dion? Okay.
Yes.
That's pretty good. I like that movie too. I like the concept.
I like the concept.
It's a big word. Concept.
Oh no, that's not a big word.
What's it? Okay.
Disqualified.
Disqualified. There you go. That's a good one.
Broccoli.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, vegetables.
Vegetables.
And veggies.
Veggies. Quick question. Do you know how to drive?
Oh yeah, I do.
You do?
F-150 Raptor. I definitely.
Whoa, hold on. A F-150 Raptor?
Yeah.
When did you drive a F-150 Raptor?
I don't know. I just think about it.
You was thinking about it, so you know you can drive.
You know, I can drive, you little Mikey.
Yeah.
Who is Mike?
I don't know. Ooh. Dinosaurs! Oh!
Hey, I want to switch dinosaurs.
Huh?
I want to switch dinosaurs.
Okay, there you go. I need Healthy. Healthy, come over here and help me.
No.
Got him right by his neck.
Let me eat your blood.
No! Oh! Dinosaurs are destroying the town! Oh!
No!
Dinosaurs are everywhere!
Destroy my car! No!
Oh! Call Agent Orange right now! I need help! Someone help me! Call Captain America! Captain America! Oh!
I can eat your neck!
Oh! Captain America's beating up the dinosaur! Oh! Captain America's down! He needs help right now! Captain America needs help! Somebody call Captain America! Where is Spider-Man? This lady right here is gonna help Captain America. Boom, 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 boom. You try to get Captain America's leg. He's trying to get my leg. Captain America jumps up. Oh!
Jackie, come on! Help Healthy win, healthy win, healthy win,
There it
healthy.
is. I need help. Helicopter's coming in. Oh! There's Batman. Batman's gonna help Captain America. He's little, but he's strong. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, Batman just got 8. Ah, Batman just got 8.
There's luck.
Batman just got 8. Batman just got 8. Oh, I'll help you guys. Okay. Let's get some help. The 16-year-old's gonna help. I need help now. Calling for reinforcements. Reinforcements are calling. Reinforcements are coming. Here they come. Reinforcements are here.
Put Batman in there.
Reinforcements are taking down everybody. You know what we gotta do now? What? You know what we gotta do now? Right now. I'm hungry. Call Papa John's. Papa John's is here.
I am going to eat the Papa John's. You're not hungry.
I'm gonna eat my pizzas. Oh, I'm super strong. He just ate my pizza. Some more. Call the school bus. The magic school bus. Oh, we need rescues. Oh.
Dinosaur fell. No.
The dinosaur has destroyed the city.
I got another one.
Healthy's here to help us. Help us, Healthy. Healthy's not helping us.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Notification.
Make sure you subscribe to Ezra.
Subscribe. We need 1,000 subscribers. We need 1,000 subscribers.